Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the install and setup video guide on our Event Templates Google add-on. Just for a quick introduction, my name is Ejaz Driscoll. I'm a co-creator of this Event Templates add-on. I've added a photo on the right of this video of Marco Tung, my other co-creator. He's created a step-by-step a walkthrough on the functionality and an entire blog in Cantonese and Mandarin. So if you are a native speaker, please go through and check those out. So getting started, you're going to have your Google Calendar open, and on the right you can see a plus icon, and when you click this, it opens the Google Marketplace where you can search for our add-on. As you can see, it's just there at the bottom. Then you just want to click this and open it, and then you want to click install. Then you want to click in continue. And then you want to choose the Google account that you want to use. And then you want to click allow. And then you'll be greeted by this card that essentially runs us through the prerequisite setup guide. So you'll just click next here. And then you want to click complete additional setup now, which will take you to our blog page. And as you can see, you've completed step one, which is installing our Google Calendar add-on, and we're on step two. So the fastest way to get the setup would be to click the second link, as the first link takes you to your Google Sheets where you'll need to essentially build up this schema yourself. But we're going to click this second link here. And as you can see on the top, it says, please make your own copy. So we're going to click on File. And then make a copy. And then we're going to call this Event Templates 3. And once I click make a copy, this will be saved to my Google Sheets account. As you can see, all the heavy lifting has been done for you. You've set it all up, and all you need to do at this point is you want to copy the sheet ID, which is just located in your URL, just over here. And then you want to go back to your Google Calendar, and you want to click done. Then you want to close the marketplace. And as you can see on the right, our icon is now there. So I want to open this up. And normally you'd be greeted by our settings page. As I've logged in before, it's remembered all of my details prior. So I'm just going to change this out with the new Google Sheet. So as you can remember, I've copied the ID already. Paste that in there, and in the sheet name, it's just located at the bottom over here. And as you can see, it's the same as the one I have in my Google Calendar. So I won't change it, and I'll just click try to connect. As you can see, it's passed the two tests that we put in, and then I want to click confirm settings. And as you can see, the configuration is successful. So I'll click go to main page. And now I can use the add-on. So a few finishing notes. We have the functionality video that walks you through all of the features just located down below in the blog. And if you guys run into any problems while setting up, just go through to our FAQ page on our blog where we've listed down all the probable problems that a user might incur when setting up with solutions. And if you run into any new problems, just go through and drop us a comment and we'll do our best to address it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you soon.